as Emirati students, think about what you can do also to help your country and to help Dubai in improving as this wonderful nation does every single year. So the flag itself, red, represents courage, bravery and strength. Green stands for hope, joy and love. White represents peace and honesty. And black is the colour of solidarity. So as a country, we're all very fortunate to live here, those of us as guests, and we thank you for enjoying and being part of this wonderful celebration today. Thank you.